When I first came to this land, I did not have wealth at hand. So I built myself a farm and I did what I could. Hi, I'm Gabriella. I am in 4th grade at SAR Academy. We are getting ready for Hands-on History Day.
Well, it's not only a day, it's like a couple months that you learn about colonial trades, colonial jobs, colonial chores.
We have 2 different projects that are unique to us. Each teacher tells us about one topic.
Usually at the end of the week or close to the end of the week, we would make a scrapbook page about it.
When the parents come in, me and my fellow 4th graders are going to sing a song.
And then we're gonna go to the classroom. There are gonna be a lot of workshops and we're gonna get to do stuff like we were in colonial times.
Like churning butter and making pickles and the humming whirligig.
I hope that they'll realize what an amazing school SAR is because of how nice the teachers are and how everything's really hands-on.
Hoping that they'll feel like proud. The people in colonial times were very independent, but they were also like interdependent because every single job was super important.